Hi friends, welcome to Trendy Techlogical. In this video, we will see how to install Luminar Neo as a plugin in Photoshop. To install this plugin first, we have to install the Luminar Neo software. Check out the Telegram channel and download the software for free and follow the steps to install it. Open Luminar Neo software and click on this Luminar Neo logo on the top of the left side. And go to the file menu and click on install plugins. Now here you can see the two softwares. One is Photoshop and another one is Adobe Lightroom Classic. Here I didn't install the Lightroom Classic, so that Lightroom Classic is grayed out. Photoshop is installed in my system, that's why Photoshop is highlighted. Here I want to install the plugin to the Photoshop and click on the install button to install the plugin to the Photoshop. Here you can see the Luminar Neo pop-up and simply click on this OK button. Click on yes and just open the Photoshop and go to the filters. It is not showing in this filter menu and I am closing this Photoshop. Open the Photoshop software to check whether it is installed or not. See here, after relaunch the Luminar Neo software, go to Luminar Neo and file menu. Click on this install plugins button and here you can see, click on here to install and after that it will show the tick mark on the Adobe Photoshop and just click on simply done button and just close the Luminar Neo software and open the Photoshop. Check the plugin whether it is installed or not. Here you can see Luminar Neo plugin is not showing in my filter menu and I am just closing this Photoshop and now I am relaunching this Photoshop again. Now here you can see skylum software is available in the filters menu. Just place the cursor on the skylum software and here you can see Luminar Neo plugin is installed on the Photoshop successfully. To test this Luminar Neo, I'm just clicking on this Luminar Neo and Luminar Neo software will be launching. Here you can see Luminar Neo software is launched as a plugin in Photoshop. Here you can see it is showing some presets to edit the image. And just click on these presets and apply any one of these presets to the image and just simply click on this apply button to apply the preset to your image. And just click on this iconic preset and it is processing the preset. Here you can see Luminar Neo is loading. I think preset is applied to the image. Here you can see before and after. And just simply click on this apply button after preset is applied to the image. Here you can see exported 0 of 1. This means this image is exporting to the Photoshop. That's it for the today's video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to Trendy Techlogical YouTube channel And please follow my Telegram channel for more software installation tutorials. And please do subscribe to the Trendy Techlogical YouTube channel to see more softwares installation tutorials and for the softwares, what's new in the softwares. Thank you. Bye for now.